Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Mirra in Frisco, Texas. The Mirra in Frisco, Texas. I'm looking at a one bedroom. This is not a model. This is just an open available unit as of today. And right now it's unit number 273. This is a one bedroom, let's walk in. So really cute one bedroom. Wow, it's really nice. I like how big it is. It's very, very long. This is the kitchen. You can see what it looks like. It's got all the great appliances you'd need here. That's a 4-door Whirlpool fridge, really nice white cabinets, really pretty, all new appliances, super, super pretty. Really nice backsplash there too. I love seeing that, attractive backsplash. And then you're gonna see also just some really cool lighting. They're really good about just nice touches here at the Mirra. This is a really big living room area, and it does have some nice windows that are here. It's gonna give you some great views out, outside there, so you can see that. That's a courtyard, by the way, that's out there, and it's really, really nice. This is big. You can fit a lot of furniture in here. In fact, not just the TV sectional and things like that. You could even put a desk over there pretty easily. And then of course, just put about 4 chairs and you've got a table. So there's a lot of space here to work with. It's really cool. Now I'm gonna go into the bedroom. The bedroom is massive too. This is a huge bedroom. You can easily fit a king and also even a little desk in there if you want to as well. It's really, really big, and the carpet is so super pretty. You can tell it's a really high quality carpet. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is really cute too. And then this does have a walk-in shower. I love seeing that a lot. This has a closet that's walk-in too. This is what it looks like. So it's a really attractive one bedroom. Like, it just gives you a little feel of what it looks like here inside the one bedroom at the at the Mirra in Frisco, Texas. So the Mirra in Frisco, Texas has a gorgeous one bedroom for you. And it's really cool. Now, if you'd like to have a virtual tour and see, maybe it'd be like this, except for it'd be personalized to you and live, so you can see what's available here at the Mirra. Send me a text. I can set that up for free. It's a part of our 100% free service. And you would get, I would take care of that for you. We could even get that set up even for today. What I really would recommend is we help with all of the best apartments, and there's maybe 1 or 2 others in the area that might be a good fit for you too. And that way you could see a virtual tour live of several apartments, maybe all even in the same day. I could set that up for you as well. Why don't you send me a text and just say hi, and we can go from there. My number is below. Just send me a text.